So now out of these two options, I will keep this one that we custom created. So I'll delete this, save it, and let's go for the next section, testimonials or clients feedback. So again, what we will do, we will go here, copy this, we will add this tag here, and we will rename it happy clients. Okay, and again we will just copy this and we will paste it here, and what our clients say. Again, plus icon, we'll take text editor, add it below this, and we will add this here, copy, and go here, you will just paste it. Oops, just give me a minute, paste it. Okay, diffuse this styling, it's have. Now I will just paste it here, you can see it's worked. So make it down, we will remove its padding, default padding, and we want to make this description in 2 lines. So what we will do, we will go here, why it's not here, and width, custom width, and we will decrease its width to this, and then we will go here, make it center. Now I will add testimonial widget, and we will use testimonial cursor. So now we will do some settings with it. Let's these are the testimonials. From here you can change the content here, just like, let me show you. We will take this first testimonial, copy it, we'll go here, paste it here, and now let's see what is now Emma. Let's make it Emma, and position founder, so let's do it founder. So in this way you can add all the testimonials, and you can duplicate, keep on adding, duplicate, keep on adding, or you can use this one to add new. So let's delete them. I paused and added these 6 testimonials. Let's add some styling to it. By default this is 1, so we will make it 2. Now you can see that, and we have some more options. We can with this skin we can make it bubble as well. This here you can see, but we will keep it default, and we can set up the image position as well. Like right now you can see that here, this one you can see image, and we can go for this one, stacked above, image will be at the top, left, and then right, but we will keep it in line. So let's add some images. I'll show you how to add the image. You will go here, add here, just pick up one, add, just go into second, go here, pick up one, that's, now go here, let's add second one. Okay, now go here, let's add another image, this one, done. Now we will add this one, and here we will add this one. Okay, you can add the images as you want. Oh, let's make it this one. So this way. You can, now you will see better. Here you can see stacked, above, bottom, left and right, but we will keep it inline, image inline. And then we have option to the right alignment, middle, and then right, left. So we will keep it here. Now we have further option to increase and decrease the width, that we will keep default. Then we have some additional settings like we can, these are the angles, you can see arrows, you can show or hide them. Okay, we will show them. And then there is an option, you can add none, you can remove the none, and you can go for the dots, you can go for the friction, here you can see, and you can go for the progress bar, here you can see. Just give me a second, so you can see, here you can see it keep on increasing for every next, here you can see that. Okay, then we have auto play, like it will keep on playing. And infinite loop, it will, once all 6 will be passed, it will start from the 1, it will be like infinite loop. Loop pause on hover, when we will hover the mouse, it will pause, and interact, it will pause again. From here we can set up the image size. Now we will add some styles. Okay, we will go for the, in the additional, we will go for the dots. Okay, so now we will go for the styling. From here, let's add a background color, this one. Yes, this is good. Now add border radius, let's make it 8. No, it's border width. We don't need the border width, we will go for the border radius, that will be, that we will make the 10. And we will go here and we will make it left align. Yes, looking good. And we want to increase the spacing. Yes. And now next we have the option of content. I think that is good, so we don't need to make any change out of this. Then we have image options. We can increase the image size to this, let's make it 70. And we can increase the gap from the text and title, so we will keep it as default. And border, we can add a border as well. And border width, we can increase or decrease the border width. Let's make it 3, and we will make its color to this one. And border radius, we can make these images this way. Okay, so I think now this is looking good. Let's do it, instead of 3, 2. Okay, so it's up to you if you want to add this border or not. If you'll increase, if you'll decrease it, remove it, even that, then it's looking good. Yes, so these are the image options. Then we will go for the navigation. Here we have the angles, like this one, we can change their size, but I would like to change their color here. And then the dots, I will change the active dot color, this one. And our testimonial is completed, you can see that. Let's see on the front end how it is looking. Here you can see, from here we can scroll them. There are 6 testimonials that we added. Okay, the testimonial is completed.